Friends, today we will learn how to install Microsoft Windows Server 2022 on our VM workstation. So first you need to download the Microsoft server, okay, valuation server. Just put your information. You can give any information, it's not compulsory. Download, and once download, we will start. So create a new virtual machine, okay. Select your ISO image. I select my ISO image. Next, put the key. You can search any key from internet because it's an evaluation. It's a free, but our VM workstation required key for Windows Server. Okay, so you can type any key, no problem. You can type also this key. This is not a problem. So now go to D drive location the server. Server 2022. Okay. Now next, 60 GB and hard drive enough. Minimum 8 GB hard drive. Okay. So I just set 4 GB, but for better performance, minimum 8 GB RAM required. So let's start it now. Image available. I will check. So guys, the previous error which you show, if your floppy disk is connected, you will see the error. So now let's continue. Install now. Okay. We'll install our Windows Server desktop. Okay. Accept the license. Now it's started. Installation started. I will pause the video. Once it's completed, I will resume. So installation is completed. Now we will set password. So friends, our Windows Server installation completed. Okay, yes. See here, standard evaluation. 180 days is free. You can set. So in next lecture we will set up our Fortinet. Oh sorry, our Windows Server 2022 domain controller. Okay, we will set up. Thank you for watching. Okay, you can set a display better like this. So you can set 9080. We have full screen setup. 1980, 19. Let's look better. My God. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe.